Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. On this video today we'll be just looking at Instagram and the benefits of Instagram, and there are some drawbacks as well. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of new money making videos that I do, which is only 1, 2, sometimes 3 a week. And you'll be notified immediately. So, just getting on with this video now. Here we are on Instagram, and the problem with Instagram is if you're creating a brand new account, it's difficult and time consuming to get the followers. You basically fall into a trap where you follow for follow. You follow people hoping they're going to follow you back, and you basically do this in bulk. Probably maybe follow between 40 and 50 people every 2 hours or something like that, just so you don't get flagged by Instagram. And hopefully some of these people will follow you back. And a lot of people will follow you, hoping you'll do the same. And when you follow them, a lot of them will naturally just unfollow you straight away. And that is the name of the game. It's quite frustrating and quite difficult for new accounts. And with that in mind, you end up with an account something like this, where you've just got basically the same amount of followers as following. So this account here got 957 followers, and they're following just over 1,000, which is not really what you want. What you do want is an account like this, basically, where you got 22,000 followers and they're only following 11. This is the sort of account you want people to follow you because of your content, not follow for follow. Doesn't really do anybody any good, because there's no engagement between the accounts, because they're not interested in what you've got on your account, and vice versa. You're not interested in what you've got on their account, and that lies the problem. And yes, you can put your link in your profile like this. This is probably an affiliate link, a shortened bit.ly link. Yes, you can do that, but the magic really happens when you have 10,000 followers on Instagram. That's when the magic happens, because once you have 10,000 followers, Instagram will make it quite simple for you to get people to your website, whether it's a product you want to promote or affiliate product you want to promote. And once you've got 10,000 followers on a business account, once you do a story, you can use the swipe up link feature. And the swipe up is the only way to get a direct link from your Instagram to other properties on the internet, other websites, affiliate websites, or your own products. And that is only available in stories if you have 10,000 followers. So as you can imagine, it takes quite a long time to get 10,000 followers. If you're doing the follow for follow, for example, it could take you weeks and months to get to 10,000 followers. And the problem then is you're following probably about the same amount of people, so you got 10,000 following, and then you'll have to start unfollowing these people, basically. And the best way to do that is just to download an app, and you can pay for an app and just unfollow them in bulk, basically. And then you would end up, hopefully, with an account something like this. So the 10,000 followers is the magic place you want to be. But like I say, it all takes time, and if you want to do it the right way, that is just to put good content on your Instagram posts, and hopefully they will go viral and people will actually like them and follow you. But it's all time consuming, and when we're making money online, most of us don't have that time. So there are other options. We have websites like Foosh.co. So this website will basically find followers for you. They always seem to have special offers. So it's basically an Instagram growth service that they do, and they're charging $9 a week to get 35,000 followers, and they would probably get 35,000 followers for you probably within about 30 days. How does this work? Well, it's not bots. If it was bots, I wouldn't be mentioning it. They actually do contact real people to grow your account on Foost. And when you set up a subscription, maybe a $9 a week subscription, you would just put your Instagram account details in, and they want to know the accounts that you would want to follow, and they will contact the people who's actually following on those accounts. They would just contact them and grow your followers. That's basically how it works. But it's got some good testimonials, Foost, as you can see here, and they have different plans. You can speed things up, premium growth, and just the initiation for basically new accounts. But quite cheap, $9 a week, $15 a week, and $19 a week. And basically they should hit their target in about 30 days. So something worth looking at. It's just an option of trying to do it all yourself, is to pay people like Foost to grow your Instagram account for you. Let them just take over and do it in the background by connecting people. Another option is to actually buy an account. Now this is against probably the policy of Instagram, but people do it. It just saves a hell of a lot of time. And the problem here is making sure that the accounts that you do buy have not been generated by bots to get the actual followers. So the obviously suggestion here, we just click on the Instagram, they do YouTube and TikTok as well, growing those accounts, is you want to be on the 10,000 to 50,000 followers option, where you can actually get the link on your stories and the swipe up. And you can choose categories, whatever category your account wants to be in, whatever niche you're in, whatever products you're promoting, and then you can have a look at these accounts. So let's look at the prices. There's 10.8k, so you get your 10,000 already just for $100. Let's click on this link and have a look. One of the key features here is the actual engagement. The engagement needs to be somewhere between 5 and 10 at least. This one is 11. So the average likes they get per post is over 1,000, 27 comments, and the average views is 27,000. And this is very important, and I'll explain why in a moment. But all you need to do with this, you can just contact the teller, you can make an offer here, and the best offer they've had is $120, which is not bad. So this basically Instagram account is in the fitness niche. So if you're promoting fitness products, this is a good opportunity where you can just basically start promoting your affiliate links straight away. Like I say, it's not against the law to buy somebody else's Instagram account. People fall in love and fall out of love with Instagram, and if the account's a little bit dormant, then and they're not going to use it for future, people move on to different things, then they might as well sell it and get some money for it. But you can basically see the prices for 10,000 plus. Obviously the highest, nearly 30s, like 300,000, there's 40,000. But you'll be able to use the link and swipe up feature in these accounts to promote your affiliate products. Let's just have a look at another one. So this is another one, engagement's 13%. That's quite good. So you need to have a look at that. And apart from, so that's engagement's 2%, that's very low. I wouldn't really bother with anything like that. And that basically means nobody's interested in what they're actually posting. And the key feature here is the engagement, not just to promote your own products and affiliate products, is because you can contact other accounts which are under the 10,000 band who can't promote their link directly with swipe ups, but you can. So you could charge probably between at least $50 for a shout out on your account, and all you need to do is contact the smaller accounts who are well short of the 10,000 band, and contact them and say, hey, if you want to promote your whatever on my account, you can do so just for $50, $100 maybe. I don't think you will get more than $100 for a 10,000 account. Obviously, the higher the number of the account, the more you can charge. But that is another way to make money, not just from your affiliate product, your own products, promoting that through your swipe up, but to do the shout out, to make some money on the shout outs as well. But to do that, you need to have the 10,000. So there's your two options. You can grow your Instagram account with companies like Foost very, very cheaply. Well, they will do it organically with real people. Have a look at the testimonials, and you will see that quite a few people are quite impressed with that service. Or you can actually buy an account, which is a little bit more risky, really, because you don't know how they've generated the followers here to get to this amount. So you need to contact the seller, find out exactly, have a look at the demographics, and if there is a really sharp peak in the demographics, and that would look very dodgy to me. I wouldn't really bother. You want gradual growth on Instagram accounts over time. That's the type of thing you want, not spikes, just gradual growth. Then you know that they've been doing things the right way. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that quick video on Instagram and the opportunities to make money with Instagram, promoting your product, promoting other people's products, and to make money with shout-outs for other clients that haven't reached the 10,000 band yet. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. But before I go, just let me mention that me personally, I'm involved in high-ticket affiliate marketing when I promote high-ticket offers, such as, and I get $1,000 commissions for doing so. If that is of interest to you, earning $1,000 commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, I have done a free course on this. It's about 90 minutes, 4 videos, and you will see the link in the description. So I hope to see you there, completely free, 100% free. Won't cost you a penny. That's if you're interested in affiliate marketing and promoting high ticket offers for $1,000 commissions. But that's it for today. I will see you very soon in the next video. Take care, and I'll see you soon.